The mosquitoes are complimentary. No extra charge. Mexico in Puerto Rico.
Bro, anywhere, bro.
Yep. Those my elephant ears I had imported. Them Peruvian.
Hey, bro, this nigga be
Bro, did you really? Go ahead.
Yo, what's wrong with y'all?
Oh, good? Yeah. Go ahead, Sion.
Yeah, I'm just saying, yo, the spiritual people gonna prosper because, like I said, you can't do nothing wrong on this side and get over. There's no getting over. See, that's where people get it twisted. They think they getting by. They think they winning or beating the system. Nah, you ain't beating it because it's all spiritual at the end of the day. You reap what you sow. I tell people that, but they don't believe me.
That's right.
It's too simple.
That's why we here now.
That's why we here now. Absolutely, it's all spiritual. This already didn't existed, man. It's a whole other realm.
That's
but
it.
At the end of the day, it's a spiritual game, and a lot of people think this whole physical is real. It ain't. It's not real. It's an illusion. That's why we died. That's why the flesh. I mean, this is only now, in the now.
That's it.
That the spirit is eternal, man.
That's it.
Man, and that's the thing about it. But it's
reaping what you sow.
Operate. Yeah.
Reaping what you sow, good or bad. A lot of people just want to think it's just the you know, they think it's just the good. They gonna get the good.
Oh
nah,
that's it.
You gonna get it all back.
Yeah, you get it all back because it worked both ways.
In due time.
In due time.
Yep.
That's the thing.
You think you're getting over?
Yeah.
You ain't made it nowhere.
Absolutely, and that's the thing about it. You can't trick it. There ain't no tricking it, man. It's like you can lie to yourself, but the real always be revealed.
That's it.
When you meet real people, is real. Because, man, like I said, Satan got the game so sold up that some people you think is real, not real.
Yep, they think they win.
Yeah.
They losing all along.
Oh, yeah. And this the thing, man. That's one thing I've learned, man. Especially where I'm from, I see a lot of people that they do certain things and think they good, but they hurting people.
Right.
You only win for the
more though.
Yep. Because you reap what you sow. At the end of the day, I've never seen a drug dealer win. Never.
That's it.
Your whole end game is grave or jail.
That's it.
I ain't never seen a winner. You won't see a winner because the spiritual laws act right.
That's it.
But you got a guy that can sell a product that can help the world, and he'll change it up, and he'll be the better man. Because, like, at the end of the day, you reap what you sow. Them guys doing this the other way around, man, they causing destruction, which is going to cause them to help themselves.
Self-implode, yep.
Yeah, man. And that's the thing about it, man. But like I said, I speak on it. Cats don't believe me. Because
they having too much fun with what they doing. They don't care nothing about nobody but themselves.
Absolutely, but it's deeper than that.
Yep. Tell them where we can find you.
Yeah, find me Sessions with Sion on YouTube and S_the_bike_man on Instagram. But yeah, like I said, I just be talking about just real. Matter of fact, my thing is culture hacking. My goal is to change the narrative, just to put you on real. So much fake out here, I just want to talk about real.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
it was, but the painting got shredded. So and then the value went up more. So it was he apparently had some type of remote joint. So as soon as it got purchased, the painting slid through and it like stopped like halfway. So the shit was shredded. You know? Welcome to life.
Make sure we get some of this content. Yeah, go subscribe.
You would just need to put a new motor in it or something like that and crank it up or lube it up or, you know, rebuild a motor or something. But they all still run. You can get anything to run. Yeah. So, but I grew up seeing big tractors and big, you know what I'm saying, the bins and all the stuff they put corn in and all kind of like, I'm walking past this every day going to school, you know, elementary school, you feel me? So, like, that's normal to me. But when as I started learning more about it, because like I said, my dad's house is on 56 acres and nobody ever did nothing with it. And so I was like, well, it's just dead land, so I'm gonna go back there. They'll pay you to cut the trees down.
Now we ourselves in the building.
So they clear the land for you, but you still kind of got to develop it and stuff like that. But so you got to develop the land.
I said, wait,
that's the love.
And they something in it, man, and he taught me how to do that. And then, bro,
the big box.
My question
interviews, the podcast about everything that we're doing. So it's not just us telling you about what we're doing in real life.
What if you don't have good credit?
Cost you like 100,000 pounds, y'all know. Because the truck, if you don't have any credit, then you gotta buy a truck cash.
Videos, they tell you everything you doing wrong, how you a liar.
Yeah.
It
can't be done.
Yeah, it's impossible. I ain't even told you what I had to say.
I feel like we got wrestled. Yeah, we got to wrestle. I'm older. He's still trying to get any flexions. I know it. He's a big guy. He said he a gentle bear.
Back in the mall one more time, and now I don't know where we headed. They ate some food in the mall, but I didn't get anything in the mall. You don't come away to Louisiana to eat the food you can eat at home. I see you, Gerard. I don't know where we headed, but we had to head out now.
Cause me and Sion thought it said.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Close enough. I know, right?
Yeah, that's. You still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
These women hella like they part centaur. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Like,
it's like, right? It's really like really something wrong with this dude, man. It's really something wrong with him. Just say anything. Like if y'all knew the real JT, y'all would be tripping. See y'all. What's up? What's up, man?
all right, what's going on?
Another nice day, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. What about you?
Man, it's been nice. Been real nice.
So the young boy was running. He ended up running on the roof in the building. He got onto the roof and they was looking for him. So the dude, it was like a metal gate, but it was rooted in concrete. He come over and taking it into the concrete. So he ran. I said, these people, when you work to build something, they might